Oh, what have we got here? Special delivery from Mr. Lawler. What is that? What is this? What could it be? Is it a Kinder Egg? I don't think so. Is it a compact disc? Is it a DVD? Is it? What do you think? What could that be? Should I open it? Let's see what's inside. It's been a lot easier with two hands. What's that? It's a book! It's a book! Why don't students like school? I can only assume this will help me make my students not like school anymore. Or at least make them like it less. Fantastic! When I get back in the classroom, can't wait to use all these tips and tricks. Hope you enjoyed this special unboxing experience.